give you this. Now I'm going to deal with negative angles. So if you are given sine of negative 30 degrees, as long as it's a negative angle, you know what you're going to do? One of the ways is to add many times 360. In other words, minus 360 plus minus 30 plus 360 until you get an angle that is positive. That's one way to do it, but there is a shortcut. Let me first give you the shortcut. First time I'll give you the shortcut. If you've got sine of a negative angle, it is the same thing as writing minus sine of the angle. So it looks like to me you're moving out that angle, that side. You're moving it from there to there, from there to there, from there to there. Can you see what's happening from there to there, there to there, there to there? All right, so with the tangent of negative theta, it's also like you're doing that negative 10. This is from memory. So it also looks like you are taking that, you're putting it over there. So you're having that, like that, that. Can you see? It's like you're shifting the minus, you're putting it on the outside. It's the same thing. All right. Now, here's the boss. The boss is cos. When you've got cos of negative theta, it is exactly the same as cos of theta. So the cos, it looks like it's the same as getting rid of the sine. The sine is there or you remove it. It's there or you remove it. It's there or you remove it. The answer will be the same. Let me give you an example for each one of them. For this one here, if you've got sine of negative 30, your answer is gonna be minus. It's like taking out the minus. It's not exactly, but it looks like it there. And then you can now work it out, and I know the answer is gonna be minus a half. If you press sine negative 30, yeah, the white one, you get minus a half. But when you press minus sine 30, you're gonna get minus a half. Let's go for tangent. For the tangent, if you got tangent of negative 45, it is the same as if you put a minus on the outside and then negative 1045. When you press your calculator, you get a minus. You got it? You get minus 1. But look at this boss, the cos. The cos is the boss. The cos is the what? Yeah, so you've got cos of negative 60. It will be the same as just cos ignoring the sign. Your answer will be a half. Press cos of negative 60. You will think you're gonna get a negative. You won't, my dear friend. You won't, my dear friend. Okay. So somebody just joining us now. Oh, all right. We're gonna send this thing. Maybe that it means it was long. A dear friend was there. Yolisa. Thank you. All right, but don't worry. We're gonna have a session. I recorded this. So let me show you. So we're gonna take this. We're working with the cos. All right, watch now. So I'm trying. One of them must go. Yeah. All right. So now let's work with the cos. The cos one. So let me put it here. Yeah. This cos of negative 60. So I'm going to press cos, open bracket, negative 60, close the bracket, equals to, look, you don't get a minus. Can you see? That is for the negative one. How about the one without the sign? If we press cos again, let's say of just 60, ignoring the sign, the answer will be the same. Look, it's still a half. How are you, Yolisa? Okay. So now you have this. These are the negative angles. So another method for the angles, you just add 360 until it's positive. But let me not say it much now. I'm going to show it to you later. I'm going to show it to you later. All right. So now, so far so good. So which means you need to watch out what they're going to give you. They're going to give you negative angles, because we cannot finish this. We can actually proceed tomorrow. Negative angles is what I was explaining here, and then the other one is gonna be angles bigger greater than 360 degrees. Example, they can give you cos of 570. All you have to do here, you subtract 360 again and again until the number, it is 360 degrees or less. You cannot go more than 360. It must be 360 or less. If you're dealing with the negative ones, this one, let's say maybe it's a cos of, say, minus 10,050, you can add 360 and another 360 again and again until the angle becomes positive. All right, you can do that, or you do what you remember from here, what I just showed you here. So far so good. Some